Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deploy using Workbench in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first you will need just to go to the Workbench website and to access to it, you will need just to type this URL. So it should be workbench.developerforce.com. Then it will take you to this page, and from there you will need to log in with Salesforce account. So basically you will need just to allow the access since I'm already logged in, and I'm going to allow the access. And basically I already have problem using the API of Salesforce, and all you need to do is to go to the application, and basically we can find more information about it from here. So here, when you connect to your workbench using Salesforce, you will find this menu, and basically you will need just to go to migration, and then you will need to click on deploy. And by clicking on deploy, you will have this uh, view, and basically you choose the zip file of your package, and it should already have an XML file for the packages inside or the dependency, etc. And after clicking on choose file, you go to the file path and you choose it, and then you will need just to check anything that you will need, like allowing missing files or auto updates the package, etc., etc. And of course you can have to run tests for the package, and then you will click on next. And basically after clicking on next, you will be able to see all the status of these process, and then you will be able to deploy your application. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.